Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we are preparing these spring rolls using vegetables. You can see on the table I have everything prepped: chicken, vegetable, spring rolls. The oil is heating now and I'm pouring the onions in the pan. Let it fry some more. Then I add the carrot, fry some more. After frying, then I'll now add in the cabbage. You see it's going to be frying some more too. And when that is done, after stirring and stirring, I'll add in some green pepper. After adding green pepper, you add your red pepper. After red pepper, you have your spring onions. Then you add your shredded chicken because it is chicken vegetable. So you add your seasoning. I'm adding ginger, garlic, and pepper for spice. Then I'll add my sugar. If you don't like sugar, you can skip that. But I love to add sugar. So when that is done, you pour in a sieve to take out the excess water so you don't get soggy mixture. Then I have my flour, add my salt. Then I'll add my cornstarch to hold it very well. Then after adding all this, then you now begin to stir. You stir and stir to combine everything together. Then you start adding your water gradually until you get the consistency that you want. You can see it's a bit thick here. I'll keep on adding more water and keep stirring so you don't have so much lump in the bowl. Just keep stirring in one direction, like I'm doing like this. Then you see what we have now. After adding the quantity of water, you see the consistency is not too runny. Just keep stirring. Then you get your pan. When it is hot, you now start using your brush, any brush that's convenient for you to work. You can start using the paintbrush and start brushing it in the frying pan. Mind you, you have to use a non-stick pan for this. If not, you won't get any good result. So just keep brushing and don't allow any hole to be in there. After brushing and brushing until everywhere is covered, allow it to just cook some more. Then just take it out like a scale from the pan, and guys, this is what we have. And your spring roll wrap is ready. This is what you use for your samosa too. So just keep doing this until you get the number of wraps that you have. Then you start wrapping your spring roll. Mind you have to put in a towel so it doesn't get dry. Because if it's so dry, you won't be able to work with it. So when you finish with one, you put it in a towel and then now cover it. You cover it so well. Then when you want to use, you just take it out and then use. So just keep doing this like I'm doing like this now until you are done. Then you start wrapping. You can see how easily it is coming out. So this is so good. I love the way it came out. You have another method of doing this, but this is the preferred method I like because it's so easy for me to use. So this is the already wrap that we have made. So in wrapping it, is what I'm doing now. Then you now use your gum. The gum is made of water and flour. You can use a brush for this or you can use your hand, but by using my hand is convenient for me. So this is the gum made of water and flour. You can see the way I rolled it. You roll and roll until you get what you want. It's so easy to make. You can make it in comfort of a kitchen. So fast, so fast. So see what we have made. See the lovelies that we have made. See the wrap. Just get your fillings, add it in there. You see the way I'm folding it systematically. But they have different type of methods to use. But this is the method that is so convenient for me to use. Anything that works for you, you use. So this one is working for me, and I am using this method. So you keep on wrapping and wrapping until you are done wrapping. So guys, isn't it easy? That is the filling in the sieve there. I'm just trying to make enough for you to see how it is being wrapped. I don't use one to show you. You can see I've done so many. See what we have here now. They are good. They are lovely. So the next thing you do is to heat up your pan in a hot oil, not too hot and not too cool, and you start frying. And your spring rolls are ready. You see the lovelies. They are so nice. You can use your hot sauce to eat it, or you can just eat it. In the hotels or outside where you want to take them, it's so expensive. So you can make this in the comfort of your home and then save your money. See, they are so nice. Wow. See what we have here. Thanks for watching. And guys, I will see you in my next.